Hi, thank you for joining me today. It's a beautiful day here, and I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you're at. Well, we already got started a little bit on this one here. It's a 16 by 20 canvas. On the top it's got a coat of liquid white, because that's what we use with wet on wet, and that's this type of painting. And what I did was I put a line through and put a coat of black gesso. Then I covered it with a thin coat of liquid clear, and then I mixed phthalo blue, phthalo green, which gives you that green look of the ocean. I'm going to do an ocean scene today with some palm trees, maybe some seagulls. As you can tell, we already started some sky here, some clouds, and some stormy clouds coming in. What we used a 2-inch brush, and we used a crisscross strokes in the corners, blended it in with the blender brush, put the clouds in, and that's how we got to this point where we're at right now. We'll put the sky in, highlighted a little bit of the areas for the reflection. Now what I'm starting to do is fan brush with liquid white. Maybe over here it's lighter. I hope you can see that corner there, that edge. We'll come all the way down. Who knows? We'll fill the rest in with a wave. We'll put a wave in. Maybe we'll have some in here, right where we highlighted it. We want that going to be, maybe where it's breaking, it's going to be right here. Just tap it, the corner of the brush. Just like that. Maybe it comes down, goes up a little bit, and it peaks there. Blend that in. Because it's going to get shallow here, and you're going to see it's going to be transparent through the wave. Not so much of the water, but you have that look of the water turning up. It's more foamy. So it just crashes right off. Some water lines down. Just like the way you'd see it in the ocean. The next time you're at the beach, kind of take a look. Because once you start painting, you'll see different things in nature. Maybe it goes all the way back to there. Load some more paint on there. I'm going to lift this up here and put it right here so I can get to it a little bit easier. Maybe your other way. Picked up some of the colors from the ocean. So you might have to go over it again. To get the dark color. There's so many palms in there. It's amazing. It's amazing how many palms are in a palm tree and what makes it so full. sizes. Tap it, depending on how long you want your pine to be, your palms. That's how you tap it. You tap finish painting. I like to sign mine in the bottom corner, left hand corner. I can take the lightest color that I've used. I use liquid white, or you could use paint thinner and a liner brush and load it up to where it's like ink. And I sign my name right here. I put my last name. A lot of people, they use their initials. And you can use whatever you'd like. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. It kind of worked out pretty good. It was different. One other thing you can do is take the palette knife, and what I've done before, you could scrape in some different branches and stuff that happens in here. Stuff that you might not really see, but kind of scrape it in, and it's better than using a liner brush because it would take you too long. Well, this is another scene that I've done. This is another lesson. It's lesson number 5. And I hope you come back and visit me again. Visit the site. And my website is www.johnlacroixhobbies.com. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you come back and see me. Have a nice day.